at work doing a little overtime, trying to catch up on some body work, repairs, and stuff like that. This guy over here, last weekend in Brainerd when we were going to the finals, my go-around cracked. Broke a wheel well. I have titanium plates in here to try and strengthen it up, but got some H3000 hardening right now. I'm gonna sand it down, lay up some carbon fiber, but kind of show you my carbon fiber box where I keep all my supplies. I got mixing cups, carbon fiber roll, some Kevlar pulp, gloves, stir sticks, epoxy and resin, fast and slow, some bag tape, some spray adhesive, just miscellaneous things to get carbon fiber work done on the go. Got my bag machine here so you can do bagged layups, and then you can do wet layups without a vacuum. But yeah, so that's what I'm working on today. Just a quick little video, figured I'd share with you guys. Maybe I'll show you guys. I should have showed you the crack before, but it ripped through. So we're gonna be fixing that, and then I'll be pulling this go around out and replacing all of that. So we'll see how that goes. Okay guys, so now that the H3000 dried, I came back and I sanded it down with my 90 because this is the outside of the body and I don't like it to look too bad when the wrap's over it, so I like to smooth it out. As you can see, I've done a carbon repair here before. It's just these wheel wells are not made very well to handle the stress that's put on them. So it's nice and sturdy here now. Got H3000 packed in the crack, sanded down, and now we can lay some carbon fiber over it. I basically cut out the size of carbon fiber that I needed. Then I got my peel ply. I'm not gonna do the vacuum pump because I'd have to sand the inside of the vehicle, lay up bag tape on the inside, and I'm just gonna do about 3 or 4 layers here on the outside. A wet lay, which basically just means sticking the carbon fiber up there and putting this peel ply over it, and this basically absorbs the extra resin and hardener and gives it a duller finish when it's done, so I can sand it down and it'll be prepped to get a little chunk of wrap put over it. So I'm gonna go ahead, mix up my hardening resiner. I'll pour some on here, squeegee it in so it soaks it all up, cut it to the sizes that I need, and we'll lay it up. Okay, so here I have 2 pumps of hardener, 2 pumps of resin. You always go to 1-to-1 mix. I'm running fast because I'm going to lay it up pretty fast and it sets a little bit faster. And then basically what you do is you pour the amount you need. And then the excess I'm going to use for my brush that I have here, where I will wet up the area here so the carbon fiber sticks a little bit better. And then I take this plastic bag, fold it over, take my squeegee. Sorry, I'm kind of all over the place. I don't have a stand here, but I'm basically going to work this all in, and then I'm going to cut it to the sizes that I need. Okay, so here I have my 4 sizes. I'm going to lay up the smallest one to the largest one. Each covers one another, and then I crisscross. So you got the carbon fiber going this way, the next one I'll lay up going this way. So the lines are going this way. I would rotate this one over to go the other direction, and just, makes for a better weave, stronger. And I already have this brushed on some hardening resiner, so I'm going to go ahead and lay them up now. Okay, so there it is, all 4 layers laid up. And now it's just putting this peel ply over top to soak up all that extra resin and hardener, and letting it dry after that. I take it off, sand it all down, and we're good to go. But we'll check in on it later. Okay, so I pulled it off, sanded it down a little bit. It'll still need some more sanding in a little while, but it's nice and solid again. Now I'll just go down and smooth this out, and that's it. It's not the best way to do it. You should definitely bag it if you want a little bit better, but it's done, it's fixed, and I'm also going to have a titanium piece mounted up in here for extra strength. So that's it. Thanks for watching.